The top pellet smokers for 2023. Savor the smoke. Welcome, grilling enthusiasts. It's that time of year again, and we're back with our highly anticipated video showcasing the best pellet grills for 2023. Z-Grill's 7002C. To begin with, I'm excited to share my hands-on experience with the Z-Grill's wood pellet grill smoker with PID 2.0 controller. This barbecue is a game changer for outdoor grillers like myself. It's a genuine grilling giant with 700 square inches of cooking surface and plenty of room to cook up a feast for a hungry audience. The PID 2.0 controller, which provides accurate temperature control and ensures that your meats are precisely grilled every time, distinguishes this grill. No more babysitting the grill. Simply choose your preferred temperature and let the PID technology do the rest. While the inclusion of meat probes is a terrific innovation, allowing you to check the interior temperature of your meats without having to raise the lid. Another aspect that stands out for me is the ease with which wood pellets may be used as fuel. The Z-Grill can cook with a range of wood pellets, imparting excellent smoky taste to your meal. Furthermore, it's extremely efficient, creating little ash, allowing you to focus on cooking rather than cleaning. The grill also has a rain cover, which is a nice addition to keep your investment safe from the weather. The assembly was simple, and the build quality is excellent. This grill appears to be well made. The strong design paired with the sleek construction provides a sense of elegance to any garden. It's more than simply a grill. It's the centerpiece for any outdoor cooking arrangement. KingChii. Next, I'd like to introduce you to the KingChii 2023 Upgrade Portable Wood Pellet Grill, a flexible 8-in-1 barbecue marvel that's ready to change the way you cook outside. With 456 square inches of cooking space, this grill has you covered whether you're throwing a backyard barbecue, going camping, or simply seeking some roasted goodies. The automated temperature control eliminates the hassle from grilling. Simply choose your preferred temperature and this grill will do the rest, guaranteeing your food is consistently cooked to perfection. But what actually distinguishes it is its folded leg design, which makes it highly portable and great for on-the-go cooking, making it your best buddy on camping excursions and picnics. The KingChii 2023 keeps going there. It's an 8-in-1 wonder that can grill, smoke, roast, bake, braise, and more. Its simple setup and sturdy construction make it a long-lasting and dependable option for outdoor cooks. The well-thought-out design offers an easy experience, and when you're through, the folding legs make storage a snap. This 2023 upgrade model represents a significant improvement in terms of performance and simplicity, making it an excellent complement to any outdoor cooking arrangement. Pit Boss 71700FB. The Pit Boss 71700FB follows, and what distinguishes this pellet grill from others is its winning mix of a large 700 square inch cooking space and a wood pellet system. While many grills provide plenty of cooking area, the Pit Boss goes above and beyond, making it ideal for individuals who want to party and cook for a crowd. The wood pellet system is very revolutionary. It imparts a unique, smoky taste to your cuisine that charcoal and gas grills just can't match. Another noticeable feature is the exact temperature control, which allows you to fine-tune your cuisine with ease. This eliminates the need to worry about temperature variations or flare-ups, making it an excellent choice for both seasoned grill masters and newbies. It has a remarkable build quality and durability, guaranteeing it can survive the rigors of outdoor cooking, and its smart design caters to the demands of serious grilling fans. So, if you're searching for a grill with plenty of cooking area, real smoky taste, and simple temperature control, the Pit Boss 71700FB stands out as a flexible and dependable option that can elevate your outdoor cooking to new heights. Z-Grill's Pioneer 450B. Next up is the Z-Grill's Pioneer 450B wood pellet grill and smoker. This is a tiny and multifunctional outdoor cooking powerhouse. Its 450 square inches of cooking space make it excellent for people with limited outside space or those looking for an easy-to-maneuver barbecue. Despite its modest size, it provides a broad range of culinary alternatives such as grilling, smoking, basting, roasting, braising, and barbecuing. The wood pellet system, which infuses your food with that true smoky taste, is one of its main features. The digital control panel allows for exact temperature control, guaranteeing that your food is cooked to perfection every time. The grill's sturdy structure is also engineered to withstand a variety of weather conditions, making assembly a snap. Whether you're a seasoned grill master or a novice, the Z-Grill's Pioneer 450B provides the ideal combination of simplicity and superb results, making it an excellent choice for cooking delicious, smoky foods in any outdoor environment. Cuisinart CPG-256. This Cuisinart CPG-256 portable wood pellet grill and smoker is the next item on the list, and it is a game changer in the realm of on-the-go outdoor cooking. This grill's tiny and extremely portable design makes it an excellent companion for camping vacations, tailgating, and outdoor adventures. Despite its little size, it provides a substantial 256 square inches of cooking surface, allowing you to grill, smoke, and barbecue to your heart's delight. The wood pellet system, which lends that seductive smoky flavor to your food, is one of its prominent features, delivering the ideal balance of convenience and real wood-fired flavor. The inclusion of a digital control panel allows for exact temperature management, ensuring consistent results whether you're at home or away. The grill's sturdy build quality is a testament to its endurance, engineered to resist the demands of outdoor cooking. Its tiny size makes it a perfect alternative for individuals who are constantly on the go, simply fitting it in your vehicle and boosting your outdoor cooking excursions. So whether you're a seasoned grill master or just getting started, the Cuisinart CPG-256 is your passport to delectable outdoor cooking, no matter where you are. Traeger Grills Pro Series 22. Traeger Grill's Pro Series 22 electric wood pellet grill and smoker, genuinely extra huge and unusual in the world of outdoor cooking, is the last on our list, but one of the most enticing options. With 572 square inches of cooking area, it provides a large canvas for your culinary creativity. This extra-large capacity allows you to easily cater to a big audience, making it ideal for outdoor gatherings, family reunions, and large-scale events. But it's the unique blend of ease and flavor that actually distinguishes it. The wood pellet system imparts a distinct and appealing smoky flavor to your food, distinguishing it from typical electric grills. The exact temperature control guarantees that your food is grilled to perfection every time, and the ease of use appeals to both seasoned grill masters and newbies. Plus, the Traeger Pro Series 22 does more than simply make grilling bigger, it also makes it better. The remarkable size and capabilities of this grill attest to its dedication to providing outstanding outdoor cooking experiences. So if you're looking for a grill that's both enormous and remarkable, the Traeger Grill's Pro Series 22 is the way to go, allowing you to produce amazing flavors for your friends and family. And there you have it, our top picks for the best pellet grills in 2023. We hope this guide helps you find the perfect grill to take your outdoor cooking to the next level.